This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hurry! Aha! No. Where is it? Why can't I ever find anything? Aha! There it is. Come on! Oh, yeah! Come on! So heavy! Now I need to figure out which notepad I should use. This one's too small. And this one's for other things. Oh no! How could I forget? We're doomed! Nobody's gonna love us now!
Oh, Sammy! Why are you yelling? You're scaring Fluffy.
This is catastrophe!
There, calm down. Here, breathe. It should help. Feeling better?
A bit. But how could we forget?
Forget what?
Did you see this?
I do. It's your slime notepad for memoirs.
And do you remember what we promised to our viewers when we were making this notepad?
We promised to... Oh.
That's a big O! We promised to make a liquid notepad if the slime notepad gets 2,000 thumbs up!
Yes, and how many are there? 2,000 already?
22,000!
Whoa! We need to make it right away! Oh, where? Oh, I can't find anything!
Sue, get a grip! We can't let our viewers down! They can unsubscribe from us and all that! But you won't unsubscribe, right? Quite the contrary, right? You'll subscribe and hit the bell button, right? Well done.
Hi, guys! Today, we're going to fulfill our promise and make a liquid notepad. Well, we'll make it if Sam's going to help, of course.
I am! You won't do it without me! You probably even forgot the video I showed you!
No, I didn't. I found your picture with Ducky. Let's use it!
This picture is dear to me as a memory. Take something else.
All right.
How could she? This picture turned into a liquid notepad. It'll get wet and be ruined. Stay here for a while. Come here. Let's start. Who's the great helper? Sam's a great helper.
To start with, I'll take a notepad with a thick cover, a special knife, 2 clear films, and some baking paper.
Are you gonna bake cookies?
No.
Shame. Notepad with cookies would have been so yum.
All you can think of is food.
Not only food. I do serious stuff too, sometimes, when it's important.
Right. First, I'll cut a rectangle in the cover. I've already drawn the lines. Now I need to cut along them.
Right. So high. But I must manage somehow.
All done. I'll set it aside. And take the film and the baking paper. I drew a line on the paper to get the edges even. I'll put the film into the baking paper and iron it along all sides, like this. Be really careful with the iron, guys. Ask an adult for help. Now there.
So, I need to fill it neatly. Cold! No, don't get on Sam. Get into the container. Aha! Enough. How do I get down now? Oh, a small slime has a difficult life.
And I'll leave a small opening on this side. I'll fill it with water through this opening.
I'm coming! Almost there!
Sam!
I wanted to help, but I tripped over.
Hurt yourself?
Just a bit.
Here's a Band-Aid for you to help the pain go away.
Are you going to pour the water in?
Not just water. I'll take some colored water. And I'll also need some baby oil, twice as much than water.
Oh, y'all! Are you going to cook something after all?
No, Sammy, I'm not. I'll just pour the water and the oil into the cover through this funnel, like this. And a bit more. And done!
Where's the surprise you've promised?
Don't look just yet. I'll show you later.
Well, all right.
I've prepared a surprise for Sam. I want to put this picture into the notepad. I've laminated it and it won't get wet. I'll put it in and close the opening with the iron.
Is it ready yet?
Oh, Sammy! No, I'll call you.
Oh, all right.
The only thing left is to glue the cover to the notepad. It's done, Sammy!
All done.
Ta-da!
Oh, that's me! I'm Ducky! Thank you, Susie.
You can put any laminated picture inside this notepad, but we'll have Sam and Ducky swimming in there.
Give it to me! I need to brag. I mean, to start writing important ideas in there.
Oh, Sammy. Guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And let's get it to 5,000 thumbs up to support Sam's genius ideas. See you soon! Guys, Sam and I will go shoot another video for you. And meanwhile, can you tell your friends about us? The more the merrier, right?
Oh, wow, where am I? Look at all these amazing paintings. I must be in an art gallery.
Oh no, this is terrible. A complete disaster.
Oh dear, someone doesn't sound very happy. We better find out what the matter is.
I'm ruined. My reputation is in tatters.
Hello, is everything okay?
No, everything is not okay. In fact, everything is completely un-okay, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Or maybe I can help. I'm Rebecca. Who are you?
This is who I am.
Julian Biscuit?
Biscuit. It is pronounced Biscuit. This is the Biscuit Art Gallery. I am Julian Biscuit.
Oh, well, pleased to meet you, Mr. Biscuit. Is there a problem?
Yes, there is a problem. This is supposed to be the centerpiece of my amazing art gallery. But what do you see?
A white cat in a snowstorm?
No, you see nothing, because there is nothing there. What should be there is the best painting in the whole exhibition, the painting that everyone has come to see.
Oh, so where is it?
It's nowhere. How could I forget? I sent out the invites. I ordered the nibbles. So busy, and yet so stupid to forget to ask someone to paint it. Wait, are you an artist?
Yes.
A good, no wait, a great artist?
Yes.
Well, then you have just saved my bacon. You can paint it.
Me?
Yes, I want you to paint me the best painting I've ever seen before the grand opening.
Oh, okay. When is the grand opening?
Tonight, 6 p.m. You're painting. Goodbye.
But, oh well, I am an artist. An artist paint pictures. But how can I paint a picture when I don't have any paint? I need to get some paint. But where from? Oh, hold on. I remember to you. That's it. Artists buy specialist art equipment from art shops. I wonder where the nearest art shop is. I better ask Mr. Biscuit.
Let's play.
Yes, I look forward to seeing you too, Boris. That's right, 6 p.m. Marvelous. Goodbye. That was Boris Blueberger, the world-famous art critic. He's coming to the grand opening tonight. How's painting coming along?
Yeah, fine. I just need to get a few bits, paint brushes, that kind of thing.
Oh, yes, well, there's only one place to go for that. You'll be off to Peter Pastel's Paint Emporium.
Oh, yes, Peter Pastel's Paint Emporium. And that is...
Yes, first right, second left, third right, fourth left. You can't miss it. Well, what are you waiting for? Go, and don't come back until you painted the best painting that Boris Blueberger has ever seen.
Yes, no, of course. Boris will love it. I just need to paint it first.
Let's play.
Hello, I'm Rebecca.
Hello and welcome to Peter Pastel's Paint Emporium with compliments.
For me?
A free tester pot for every customer. That's what I call the perfect shade of blue. In fact, I call it perfect blue.
Oh, thank you. I'm an artist and I've been asked to paint a painting for Mr. Biscuit's grand opening.
I'll sort you out. What is it you need?
Everything, really.
Okay, so we have some paint, some paint brushes, paintbrush cleaner, they're all in there, and here's an easel and a canvas. There. Good luck. Oh, don't forget the key.
The key?
The key to my attic studio. I'll not be using it today. It's all yours.
Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you.
Up the spiral staircase to the top floor. Good luck, Rebecca.
Let's play.
Phew. Oh, this is great. A real artist studio. Right, I've got everything I need to paint the perfect painting. But what should I paint? What can I paint? I've no idea. Perhaps I could ask Peter Pastel for some ideas.
Finished already? That was quick.
No, I haven't even started yet. I wondered if you could give me an idea of what to paint.
How about a still life?
After all those stairs, a still life would be great. But I have a painting to do.
Here.
There's no time for a healthy snack, Peter.
No. A still life is a painting of an object that doesn't move.
Oh, I see. You mean I could do a painting of this fruit bowl?
Bingo.
Oh, well, that's a great idea, Peter. Thank you.
Let's play.
Peter's idea to paint a still life painting was a really good one. Perfect. Now I'm ready to start painting. Pesky fly. Oh no! What a mess! My picture's ruined! I can see you. Oh no! My still life isn't still anymore. It's rolled away.
Rebecca?
This really isn't going very well.
Are you all right? Everything okay, Rebecca? There seem to be apples and pears rolling down the stairs.
Yes, it's my still life. It rolled away, and now I've got nothing to paint.
Ooh, well, why don't you paint a portrait instead?
What's a portrait?
A portrait is a painting of a person.
Oh, I see. But who can I paint?
Well, I've always wanted to be an artist model. You could paint me.
Oh, great. Okay, well, take a seat. Please keep still, Peter. It's hard to paint you when you're moving.
I'm sorry, but buzzy flies drive me crazy.
Oh, please keep still, Peter.
I will, just as soon as I've caught this buzzy fly.
My portrait!
An interesting first effort.
Oh no, what are we going to do? I promised Mr. Biscuit I'd have a really good painting for his grand opening tonight.
Don't panic, you can start again as soon as I've chased away this fly.
Start again on what? My still life has rolled away, my portrait is a mess, and I need a picture for Mr. Biscuit's grand opening. Oh, hold on. I remember to you. That's it. Paintings of places are called landscapes. A landscape is an outdoor scene. Artists don't have to paint things inside a studio. I can go outside instead. I am going to paint a landscape.
You'll need to go to Wheaty Fields.
Wheaty Fields?
It's beautiful. My artist friend, Vincent Van Gogh, paints wonderful landscapes there. You'll probably see him. He'll give you some tips. Say hello from me.
I will do, Peter, and thanks again for all your help.
My pleasure, Rebecca. Best of luck.
Let's play.
This really is beautiful. Peter was right. I should be able to paint a lovely landscape painting up here. Oh, this must be Peter's artist friend now. Hello, you must be Vincent Van... Cough?
Nice to meet you. Who you might... You be.
I'm Rebecca.
Pleased to meet you.
You have a really nasty cough, don't you?
Can't seem to shake it off.
Well, the thing is, Peter said you might be able to help me.
Okay. Well, listen, the first thing you need to...
Oh dear, this is hopeless. If only there was some way I could help Vincent stop coughing so he could help me paint a landscape. Hold on, I know what we can use, do you? The cough sweets. I knew these would come in handy. Here you go, Vincent. Have you tried one of these?
I don't mind if I do.
Well?
Goodness me. It worked. Thank you, Rebecca. Now how may I help you?
Well, I need to paint a marvellous picture by 6 o'clock. But, look, I haven't made a very good start.
when you make a mistake, you just paint over it.
Wow, that's great! Now I can start again.
Splendid view, isn't it? Now, the first and most important thing for you to know is paint what you see, and you'll soon have a landscape painting that everyone will admire.
Thanks, Vincent. Well, I better start again then.
Let's play.
So what do you think?
Superb. That is a splendid painting, Rebecca. It deserves pride of place in any art gallery.
Really? Well, I'm quite proud of it, actually. Thank you for all your help, Vincent.
Oh, and thank you for the coffee. Sweet so dear.
Oh, look, here, have the packet.
Oh, excellent. Oh, so soothing. Good luck with the grand opening. I hope you make it back before the rain. I must get my painting out of the rain.
Goodbye, Vincent Van. No cough.
Thank you, Rebecca. Bye.
Let's play.
Ah, there you are. You're all wet.
It's raining outside.
Is it? I hadn't noticed. I've been far too busy getting ready. The grand opening is upon us. Where's my painting? You have done my painting, haven't you?
Yes, of course. I'm very pleased. Look. What? Oh, no. The rain has made the colours run. My landscape painting is ruined.
This is the painting for the grand opening. The centerpiece of my exhibition that world-famous art critics, including Boris Blueberger, will come to see. This won't do. This is nothing. I have to cancel the exhibition. Oh dear. Oh dear me.
Oh, no. Hold on. I remember to you. That's it. A painting doesn't have to be of a person, object or landscape. It can be a mixture of shapes and colours. This is a fine example of...
Abstract art. This is genius.
Really?
Abstract art is extremely fashionable at the moment. This will be the perfect centerpiece for my exhibition. Well done, Rebecca.
Thank you.
Oh, perfect. My guests are arriving for the grand opening. I better go and see to them.
Well, that worked out really well.
Ah, you must be Julian's new star artist. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Boris Blueberger, world-famous art critic, which means I get to tell everyone whether an artist is good or bad.
Oh, pleased to meet you, Mr. Blueberger. I'm Rebecca.
Delighted to meet you. Tell me, is this your work?
Yes.
Unbelievable.
Is that a good thing?
Stunning. Amazing. Fantastic. Mind-blowing. This is the finest example of abstract art I have ever seen.
Thank you.
No. Thank you, my dear. This exhibition is a triumph. A wonderful success. I never expected anything less. For a minute, of course. Do congratulate Julian for me. Toodaloo.
Goodbye. Oh, wow. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done such a good job without remembering everything we needed to know. Artists buy specialist art equipment from art shops. Paintings of places are called landscapes. And paintings don't have to be of a person, object or landscape. They can be abstract art. I think it's time we went home.
Well done, Rebecca. You saved the day. Boris Blueberger adored your painting. My exhibition is a huge success. Thank you.
It was my pleasure, Mr. Biscuit. Well, I best be off. See you later.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Let's play.
Hey, Sid. I had the artiest adventure with Mr. Biscuit and Mr. Blueberger.
Biscuit and cheeseburger?
No, Mr. Biscuit and Blueberger. They said I painted the best picture ever. Enough about me. How did you get on covering up the scratch in your toy truck?
Not very well, I'm afraid. I tried all my blue pens, my blue felt tips, my blue crayons, but none of them matched the blue of my truck.
It really is the most perfect blue.
It is, isn't it?
Almost as perfect as this.
What's this? Perfect blue? It really is perfect blue. Look, it matches the blue of my truck. Thanks, Rebecca. You really are the greatest artist in the world.
You're welcome. Playing artists was great fun. What do you like to play?
Let's play.
Playing sea captains is fun. I steer my ship like this. I pretend to be really cold when I play snowman. Playing octopus is fun. I get to wave my tentacles like this. I pretend to climb a big mountain when I'm playing rock climbers. I like to play spiders and I move my legs like this.
Let's play.